Alright, let's say you just got all your basic tools to get started whittling, like your knife, some wood, leather strap, and safety gloves. But now it's time to start putting steel to wood and actually creating something. The actual process of shaping the wood for the first time is where many beginners stop as they feel intimidated and uncertain on how to start. This feeling is actually quite common as you may be reaching outside your current comfort zone, but there are many sources available to help you start this journey and guide you along the way. The first place is actually YouTube itself. There are many different tutorials and guides on here that will help walk you through the process step by step with tips to help you learn how to cut through the wood efficiently as well as handling the knife safely. Matter of fact, this channel has several easy to follow step-by-step beginner tutorials that help you walk through easy projects like a simple dog, a fox, or even creating an entire chess set. Following these video tutorials helps teach the basics of shaping the wood and building your own confidence to further grow your own skills. Another invaluable source to learn from are project books. These provide pictures with step-by-step guides on how to shape the wood into various simple projects. The two books that I personally recommend are The Complete Starter Guide to Whittling, for those of you that want some good all-around projects as well as learning basic cuts and tool selection, or the Swiss Army Knives Whittling book, for those of you who want to focus on using pocket knives and just mainly using branches directly from the trees. Now, after you've made a few of these little products from YouTube or from the books, it's always a good idea to flex your own creative muscles and create something yourself. This is absolutely necessary for growth and quite frankly helps you enjoy the hobby even more as you feel your limitations start to disappear the more you practice. For me, I find it's extremely helpful to do a quick sketch of what I want to create in order to plan ahead where I want to remove wood and what sections to leave. Sometimes I also use online pictures for reference to get a general idea for proportions and make visualizing the final results easier to do. Halfway through your first few projects, or even after you finish them, you may find that they look nothing like what you intended them to look like. This is normal, and quite frankly, I find these less than ideal carvings super helpful. Now, why is that? Because I can actually see where I messed up on, and I can try and approach the next attempt differently to prevent the same issues from happening again. I also highly encourage you to repeat the same project 2 to 3 times to help reinforce what you've learned and have something to compare to as you progress. Everyone's journey will be different, and the only person you should really compare yourself to is your past self. Now, if you have all the tools and are ready to start whittling, check out this simple fox project to get you started on your journey. It's a super easy project for beginners, and it will teach you some of the basics for cutting into the wood, like how to work with the wood grain. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have yourself a good day.